Water fasting is a type of intermittent fasting when for a certain period of time, you cannot consume anything besides water. Yep, you heard it right, only water and no food. There are several reasons why people do water fasting: weight loss, religious or spiritual reasons, detoxing, controlling certain diseases such as high blood pressure, preparing for medical procedures. Water fasting becomes more and more popular amongst intermittent fasting fans and amateurs. There are hundreds of theories about this form of fasting, so we answered 5 of the most frequently asked questions to make it clear once and for all. How long should you do water fasting? Most water fasts last 24 to 72 hours. That's the maximum time to go without food. If you're planning to water fast for longer than 24 hours, you should contact your doctor and consider fasting with medical supervision. Healthcare professionals warn that depriving your body of food can pose serious health consequences if you don't take the right precautions. How to do water fasting? Water fasting can be really challenging, both mentally and physically, so you have to prepare yourself for it. If you're a beginner in water fasting, we suggest you spend 3 to 4 days preparing your body to stay without food. Here are a few tips on how to do this. Eat well before the water fast. Choose foods that can boost your energy, such as bananas, fatty fish, eggs, or brown rice. For 3 to 4 days, fast for part of the day or reduce your portion sizes. Pay attention to how you feel before starting the fast. Avoid fasting if you feel tired. Skip intense workouts that suck out your energy. Choose long walks instead. Pick the day carefully for your fasting period because some people may feel weak or dizzy during a water fast, so it's a huge chance that you won't be able to function properly. As we mentioned before, during a water fast, you are not allowed to eat or drink anything besides water. Most people drink 2 to 3 liters of water per day during a water fast. However, you should be careful since you may feel the need to drink more than usual when fasting. You see, when you drink too much water, you may experience water poisoning, intoxication, or a disruption of brain function. To avoid this, we recommend drinking about 2 to 3 liters by dividing this amount throughout the day. What to expect during water fasting? Keep in mind that fasting deprives the body of the fuel it needs, so expect to feel tired and low on energy. You will need to save your energy during the water fast, so you should get plenty of rest and avoid intense exercise. There's a strong chance that a lack of food will make you feel dizzy, weak, or nauseous. If you start feeling really bad and disoriented, it means that you need to break your fast or contact your doctor for medical advice. How to break your water fast? We know that after the day of drinking only water, you may have the urge to eat a huge meal, but keep in mind that when you finish fasting, you shouldn't eat too much at once because you might get a stomachache or will simply feel sick. Break your fast with small portions of food. For instance, smoothies are a perfect choice. The post-fast phase is especially important because you might be at risk of refeeding syndrome, which is a potentially fatal condition in which the body undergoes rapid changes in fluid and electrolyte levels. Refeeding syndrome can negatively affect your lungs, heart, kidneys, and nervous system. No, we don't mean to scare you. We just want to warn you about the rare yet possible side effects of water fasting. But what are the benefits of water fasting? Okay, so there's one obvious reason why water fasting is so hot right now, and it's weight loss. But there are several reasons why you may want to give water fasting a try. Firstly, taking a break from eating can lower your blood pressure. In one study, 174 people with high blood pressure underwent water fast for 10 to 11 days in 1 month. By the end of that period, about 90% of participants had lowered their blood pressure to normal levels. Secondly, it may promote autophagy, which is the body's way of cleaning out damaged cells to regenerate newer ones. Thirdly, water fasting may lower the risk of several chronic diseases like diabetes, cancer, and heart disease. There may be some health benefits to water fasting, but reducing overall calories or choosing other intermittent fasting patterns is just as effective for weight loss and is likely to be safer. If you want to try out safer options of intermittent fasting, check out the playlist with the most popular fasting methods. Also, don't forget to watch the video about water benefits for your health and weight loss. Stay safe, and don't forget to subscribe to Health Insider for more health-related videos.